Okay, we pulled a couple of frames of bees out several days back, so we're thin on bees. Spraying with some lemongrass oil and sugar water. You want to look at a frame here. Okay. They've drawn this out and have honey in it. Lots of drones. Okay, see that side? This side they have drawn, and this other side they have not. So we'll turn it around on them. This is where the queen is, and she has a divider with a queen excluder, a vertical queen excluder on either side, and she's contained in here. And we'll take one of the frames or additional frame and we'll swap out for one of these in the middle. We'll jockey the frames to get an empty one in here so that she can lay eggs, and 4 days later we'll come back and pull that frame and make queens from that frame and then re-jockey the frames again. So far they've done okay. They've done good. That goes in, no vertical wires, just horizontal wires, and that will go in here. Yep. 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 Okay. Now, this one is here. Okay, now watch this, Jim. Oops. No hurries, no worries. This one is going to come out because it's an older frame. Because I've got to jockey one over, and I'm going to let it sit right there. And then I'm going to take my blocks and set them on either side, because I've got to shake bees and I don't want to shake the queen off into the wrong cavity. But I'm looking for the queen, and to settle them down I'm going to take some sugar water and spray them. And sometimes this makes the queen stand out. A little bit of wet on her body makes her stand out. Okay. Then take this frame, that frame there, and put in position 2. Yep. In position 2.
You want to spray it?
Spray it again. And turn it over. Okay. Yep. Put it in position 2. Now, nice and easy. I'm looking for the queen. I don't absolutely have to see her, as long as she's not on the frame that I have. And there's always the risk I could get her in the wrong compartment. I can look long ways down the frame and see her either crawling over, or I can look at an angle here and see her, or at an angle here and usually see her. They're spot sensitive, so they want the same spot. The lid goes to the right. There you go. Now here's your tools. You'll spray the inside of your box. Spray the in. No, you want to spray the inside of your box. Oh, yeah, with sugar water. Sorry. Just getting a little spritz. That's cool. Okay. Now these lids are kind of tight, so you're going to have to just do the best you can and kind of, yeah, the other side. There you go. And go to your left. Okay. Now, condition of the bees. You got bees in there. Okay. Give them a spray of sugar water, and there should be a queen. We have a lot of field bees out. Okay, start on the left with the left frame. There you go. He's just transferring bees from our box to his box, and after they're grown and stabilized, he'll come pick them up. Well, maybe a week or something, I don't know, depends upon how big they are. All right, that's a good one. That's honey.
Ooh, look.
Yep, that's honey. That goes straight over. Okay. Yep. Push off with your tool. Yep, there you go. And do the next one. Yep, have they built anything on your side?
No.
No, it's just flat, okay? All right.
They're starting
a little. They're starting to.
Yeah.
Is there any eggs in there? Can you see any eggs? Pull. Okay. See the queen. Okay, that's good. All right, she can go inside there. Good job. Yep. Yep. Okay, so she'll roll around there and figure out how to lay. I want to see this one because I want to
Those are
see.
good bees.
Polite bees, and I'm looking for any kind of, they've drawn the wax out, but I want to see if she's gone to, no, she's not laid anything in here yet. That's okay, they're nervous, she's a new queen, but we're going to push the sugar water to her. That's what she needs. Okay. Okay, slide it in, yeah. And then the next frame. Yeah. Okay. It's awesome. Yep. 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 Okay, I haven't started doing anything. Once that's in, then use your tools to push your frames together to get your bee space. The shoulders of the frame will automatically space them out for you. Like that. Yep. Very good. In the front. Yep. Well done. Yep. And then let's spritz them with sugar water on top, and the lid goes on. Yep, that's what I do. It goes on, and then you can give them your jar of sugar water. Yep, because the porch is open. Yep, well done. Okay, yep, got a few bees here. And we're just gonna, yep, they know where to go. Back on.
And this brick stays down.
Yeah, that brick can stay there because they're open, that's fine. They're going to come and check the outside of the box because they know they've got a new box now, and they're going to be doing this hovering and looking at the outside. They're already doing it. They're going, hey, what did you do? You changed us out here. And you got sugar water, you got a queen, you got bees. Take to the side. This one was queenless. But we want to give this one to Jim, and we want to know if there's a queen cell growing in here, and we're trying to figure out where we stand here. And we're going to be real careful. There's a cell, there's a cell. See the cells over here where my tool is? On the other side. Okay, they put some cells down right over here. Okay, now I don't want to touch them here. Come on, girls. Okay, so I've got some cells right here that are starts of queen cells. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll 6. So we're just going to let them work that out. They're too small for me to cut, but we'll transfer those over. Now go get your box. Yep, and he's got a good group of bees here. This looks good. And I'm going to spritz them. They're nice and calm. Other side.
Put this right next
right
to.
here. Okay, you've got 7, 8. You have a whole patch of queens. There's 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was from notching that I did. Okay, so I'm going to let that go right in there. Nice and easy. Do you mind if I just transfer them over?
No, that's fine.
Will you do this? Will you do this?
No, you're doing fine.
Okay. And then the next frame, and we'll have a look. Shadows, lots of honey. Lots of honey, that's good. There's another cell, nothing's in it. Start, that's just a starter cut, nothing's in it. That's okay, that's good. This one's got more bees than the other one.
Now you notched this,
Notched a little one from another group.
how many days ago?
Oh, it's been 4, 5, 4. That. Okay, empty. And they'll pull down wax off of that one. Okay. And then just scoot them over. Because there's my cells, so I don't want to botch them or bump them, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to bump the cells. That's not good. Take a look here. Lots of honey. So the girls are working. They got a purpose. They got a queen. There's another queen cell.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got 7 or 8 queen cells started. There's another queen cell. See that? Or they're making one or feeding it. See, they're feeding it. She's inside there feeding it. Yeah, you've got a bunch of queen cells, man. So we just need to let them do their thing. And okay, where do we go here? Okay, nice and easy down, and then over. There we go. Lots of honey on the outside frame. This is good. There's a bee hatching right there.
Cool.
She's coming out. A bee hatching.
Check that out.
Check her antennas. There's her antennas coming out right here. She's trying. She's going to eat her way out, man. The girls have to come out on their own. The drones get help being pulled out. But the workers have to come out on their own. Go figure.
Work from the day before they're born.
Yeah, she's going to come out here in a second, man.
That's
Look at
awesome.
that. Antennas are out. Cool. Okay, down we go. Down we go. Okay, down we go. Down we go. Okay. Oops. Put your lid on. Okay, see the position the box is in?
Mm-hmm.
Set it just like that.
You want to open the front porch?
Yes. Now pull it up. Up, open. And give them their jar of sugar water. A fresh jar. Where did I set it? It's on the tailgate, yeah. Okay, so now he's got bees inside of here still. And that's old sugar water that needs to go away. And he's going to give them a new jar. And writing stuff down. That's all. And then he's got bees here. Go ahead and give him sugar water. And their brick goes back. And I've got some bees right here I just need to dump. Right there. And they'll find their way back home. They'll find their way back in. Okay.
filming.
Okay, this little nuke we're getting ready to work here, we gave a cell bar for making queens on May 25th. Yeah, 29th, sorry. May 29th. And so now what we want to do is check on them, and they ought to be ready to cut is our goal. That's our goal for today. Is we want to cut. Oh boy. Boy. We just don't know how good we did on our timeline. And we missed it.
Did we?
Yes, we did.
So you already had a queen hatch.
We had, yeah, sure enough. Busted. Busted. Busted.
So you got a queen in this one.
Yeah. Okay, so there's a cell, but there's one open, and there's one eaten, and now they're just pulling down. Now they're just pulling down wax. So we missed it by a couple of days, I bet.
So you'd have to take that bar back away from them.
Yeah, the bar gets pulled.
We have another frame in here.
Yeah, down right over here. But hold on. We're going to.
Gonna look for the queen.
Yeah, but I want these girls off. Oh, busted. Now there's I don't know what shape of cell that one's in. Maybe she'll sting them. First queen out will sting. And I have eggs in here. I have single eggs in the hole. Look at those eggs in the hole.
Oh yeah.
There's eggs in there. I don't know if you can even see with the shadows.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, probably not. Yeah, I can see them from here. The shadows are not helping. Yeah, well. Okay, so up here, what do I got? I got eggs all through here. Well, Jim, I'm busted, buddy.
But can you use the eggs that are already there?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
But now you've got to start another.
Yeah, but that's okay. It's okay, because now I have a queen in here, but I got eggs here too that I can capitalize on. Just put that one. You okay, Kelly?
Yeah, I'm just getting buzzed, so.
Put the lid on, please. Well, what's that tell you?
Cover lid too?
Yeah. Set it in the truck. Out of sight, out of mind. Well, that's
Okay, I'm done.
cool. Right there.
Okay, Blaine is checking his hives. We have 2 hives here. He's checking the far one that's busy. He's doing his honey check to see if he needs to add honey boxes. Checking his levels. Takes off the top.
Yes,
He's going to take off the ventilator. smokes the bees to keep them calm. Kind of windy today, so it may make the bees a little nervous. This time of the evening, all the bees are coming back with their honey and stuff, so there's lots of flight. I don't want to get too much into the front of the hive because then I get into their flight pattern.
Yes.
He's going to pull up a frame and check his honey level.
This worker is dragging this drone.
Probably dead.
Oh, she's carrying him out! Out you go, bud!
That was cool.
We are done with you.
Nothing.
Did you see that?
Nothing. That's the middle one. See? Nothing in there. It's not what we want.
Okay.
And then go to the outs. Nothing there. I'm checking to see if they starting sideways.
They're carrying out drones. That's the second one that's come out.
Where?
Right on the other side over there. I'm getting buzzed over here.
It's probably the pink, Mom. Pink cover. Yeah, because it's right. Okay, nothing in the top box yet, so still working. Okay, going down to the second honey box. Where's the side handles? No side handles. Yeah. Wow. Girls are rocking it. Yeah. Yeah. 7. Really heavy on about 5 or 6. But yeah, 7.
Okay, well that's fine. We'll just leave that next box on there.
Okay. Want to see what we look
you gonna
like.
check?
Yeah. Oops. They are color oriented. Okay, Joel, you want to see a really good honey? They're starting the capping process. I was going to. Just stay calm.
You see the white, like the yellow dots?
Oh, what the heck? They have brood up here?
That's where.
Yes, they're hatching drones.
Oh!
That's why they're carrying them out.
There's one right here coming out.
Oh yeah, you see it.
Here, let me see.
Right here. See that area right here. And right over here. They're hatching drones.
They've been pretty nice, so you're okay. They're not gonna.
See? Even then, when she's a virgin queen, she shouldn't be able to.
Okay, let's see if we
Because
can
of
get
it's her longer abdomen causes it to be
I
wider.
want to see the queen cell.
Yeah, holy crap. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, hold it still. Get your head out of the way.
Okay, they're puffing wings.